Well, this is good old Ohio weather here. Boy, we getting some snow here. My husband was doing the driveway and he said he had snow at one spot up to our knees. I think he's down there doing the neighbor's yard. This is probably our second snow for the year. The first one was a couple days ago. We probably only had a couple inches. But this is our first major storm. And probably, it's been many years. We bought a big snowblower, and we really haven't even used it. And that was probably 4 years ago. So he's out playing. I'm just videoing. But anyways, look at that wind blow. Can you hear it? We have gusts about 35 miles per hour here. Okay, I hope the rest of you guys are keeping warm. That's what's going on here in Ohio. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Keep warm. Bye for now.